You know, one of the things that people ask me to talk about a lot is, and it's something that I obviously have talked about a lot and written about a lot, is why is storytelling so powerful? Here's one concept about storytelling that I think people don't understand or don't understand enough. Think about this. There are really, some people say there are three ways. I think there are really two ways to convince an audience or a group to follow or to buy into your arguments. One is you can use rational argument, what we call argumentation. And the other is you can use narrative. Let's think about the difference between the two. When you use argumentation and logic and reason to convince an audience, what happens? The problem is they will in their heads argue with you. You'll be presenting facts and statistics and logic, and they will have their own facts and statistics and logic. And I think it's a very natural thing to do. I don't say this to be critical, but audiences will use the information that they have and they'll argue with you in their heads. Why? Because argumentation we experience from the outside, and we've learned to be critical, so we criticize. Think about what happens when we tell a story. When we tell a story to an audience or to a group, the dynamic is very different. If I start to tell a story about my first day in school, for example, or something from my childhood, or something from my experience, people listen to the story and they come into the story. They relax, they accept the story. They don't argue with me. They experience the story as an insider. And very often, if the story is effective, they'll be thinking not about how to argue with me, but they'll be thinking about stories from their own lives that maybe are similar to this story, and we share the emotion of the story. In rational argument, people look in from the outside and they're critical of your argument. A story, on the other hand, we experience emotion and reason at the same time. And people will come inside and experience it as insiders. That's what I think is the most powerful thing about storytelling. You get people with you right away instead of against you.